Welcome to the technology presentation for health monitoring using artificial intelligence and interactive voice response. I am Pooja Patil and my team ID is 1384043. In India, many people are entering in service sector and they do not have time to give attention towards their elderly people and newborn babies. So healthcare monitoring is major issue in India where doctor to patient ratio and doctor to nurse ratio is very low. So we are come with solution of this problem. In this proposed solution, we have used some TI component and some non-TI components. Now I am going to process through which we have completed this project. The process is like first TI Launchpad accumulates all the data and next it will convert all the analog values to the digital form. Once all the data is collected, then the TIVA sends the data to cloud for the further processing using Wi-Fi Shield. The data gets received and then it will check whether the values are false in the normal range. If the values are not in normal range, then server pings BeagleBone to capture the image of patient and it's sent back to cloud for the facial analysis. The next part is the facial expression analysis. We have used here TensorFlow library. The model includes SST Mobile Net V1, Face Landmark 68 Net and Face Expression Net. Once the image is detected, it will calculate the probabilities and maps into the square boxes in highest probabilities and this data displayed on the dashboard and it will give alert message to the doctors. So this is the real-time demonstration of our project where we have detected the facial expression of the patient. This was the patient information on which we have taken the real-time demonstration. So here start our real-time demonstration.
Today we are recording a real-time demonstration of the project Health Monitoring using Artificial Intelligence and Interactive Voice Response System.
We are operating TIVA Launchpad through the laptop. It can work on the low power and it is used for test and measure the medical parameters. Second is CC1300 Boost is used to connect the TIVA Launchpad. It is a wireless network processor booster pad plug in the module. This is the Boost XL bus sensor is externally connected to the TIVA Launchpad which is used to detect the humidity and temperature of the room. So this is the AD8232 heart monitor is externally connected to the TIVA Launchpad. It is used to calculate the electrical activity of the heart.
AD8232 is connected to the patient through ECG pads. You can make out here the board is connected to the patient through ECG pads. ECG can be very noisy, so to reduce the noise, the AD8232 chip can be used. The principle of ECG sensor is like an operating amplifier to help in getting the clear intervals. LM90 EVM multiplexer through jumper wire. It is used to take the body temperature of the patient. You can make out this is the sensor. The sensor is placed on the finger of the patient. The sensor is placed on the finger of the patient. This is LMT90 EVM to record the temperature of the patient. Temperature sensor and heart rate sensor takes the values in the form of analog in TIVA Launchpad. These analog values are converted into digital form and these values are temporarily stored in the Launchpad. When the abnormal values are detected, then the image of the patient is captured by webcam. The patient's condition can be decided and it will be recorded in the dashboard. Doctor can receive the alert message from server that the patient needs immediate attention. This is the dashboard which you can see. this is the dashboard which you can see. Now the patient's data is abnormal. So it has captured the image and it has also captured an alert message that the patient requires immediate attention, and the data is analyzed. Okay, and it displays the message as per the system, the patient needs immediate attention. More accurate images can be captured based on the resolution of the camera. Degrees centigrade. So as and when the system or the sensor detects the abnormal parameters of the patient, it captures the image and sends an alert message. This data will be stored on the cloud and the data will be available to the physician who is attending the particular patient. So this is a successful demo of our project. Thank you so much.
So we are providing here complete link of demonstration. Thank you.